Hi everybody, welcome to another asynchronous science lesson. Today you are going to make your own Newton's third law example. You'll need your notebook because you're going to make a plan and post your plan in Google Classroom, and you'll need whatever supplies you choose to make your example. That could be a ball or a car, a skateboard. You can make your own launcher. You can use rubber bands, action figures, whatever you choose that can illustrate Newton's third law. During the lesson, I'm going to explain what Newton's third law is. I'm going to talk about how to write down physics sentences and physics diagrams, and then you're going to make your own example. Well, here it is, Newton's third law. Forces come in pairs that are equal in strength and opposite in direction. So, this ball hits the ground with a force. The ground hits the ball with a force that is equal in strength but opposite in direction. The ball pushes the ground down and the ground pushes the ball up. Remember, these are forces that are equal in strength, opposite in direction, and acting on different objects. This should feel like a review. Remember, there's a couple of ways to label and write these action and reaction pairs. There's not really two, there are actually three ways. Number one, you can draw a free body diagram. You have the force of the foot, of the ball on the foot, and the force of the foot on the ball. And when you draw a sketch like this, make sure that it is labeled. You can also write an equation where you write F and then a little subtext. The force of the foot on the ball is equal to and opposite the force of the ball on the foot. That little negative sign just tells you that these forces go in the opposite direction. Finally, you can write a sentence. The foot hits the ball and the ball hits the foot. Three ways to write and label an action-reaction pair. You will do this for your independent work. Here are some familiar examples. There's the rocket sled. Remember, the exhaust gas pushes, the rocket pushes the exhaust gas, and so the exhaust gas also pushes the rocket. We had the catapult, where the rubber band pushed the ball and the ball pushed the rubber band. And finally, the jet ski, where the jetpack pushes the water down and the water pushes the jetpack up. These are all examples that we've seen and discussed in class. So finally, here's what you're going to do. Your job today is to come up with your own example. First, make a plan in your notebook with a sketch of your own example of Newton's third law. Just the third law. And then label your example and write a sentence to explain the action-reaction forces in your example. So you're going to label it and write a sentence to explain those force pairs. Then record yourself in a video actually executing your plan. Use the plan in your notebook to make a video where you demonstrate and explain your example of Newton's third law. So first, sketch your own example of Newton's third law, use labels, and explain the action-reaction forces. Then, record yourself actually doing your plan. I hope you have fun with this, and I'm looking forward to seeing your plans and your videos. Remember, you are posting two different files to the same assignment in Google Classroom. Have fun!